And we might even get in some pickleball if we can figure out how to get it. Yeah?
What?
Pickleball?
What's that?
It's where you eat pickles and juggle a ball.
You eat pickle?
Yeah.
That's a lie. You're just trying. That's.
What's going on?
Nothing much. Good morning, everyone.
Yes.
We
good
are
morning.
going to Christmas season. Almost Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I wonder what everybody is doing for Christmas this year. I don't know what I'm doing as yet.
It's shocking, I know, right? Misdecisive over here. Still not sure, but either way, we've got one last day here at the hotel, and it's been an interesting experience. Can we say that?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah,
It's well inviting.
Yeah, the staff here have been really cordial and
Yeah.
respectful, and so that's been enjoyable. The room itself is nice.
And the property is very clean.
And it's big. There's a lot of property. We're getting our exercise in, and we need it because so is the property's big, and so is the buffet. Mm-hmm.
Yep. Everything's set up nice. They have different meal for different nights.
Last night was Mexican. Tonight we're going Asian, supposedly.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Asian.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, Dave has been off to Star Camp for 2 days in a row, and it's bittersweet because we drop them off at 10 a.m. and we don't pick them up until after 8 p.m. and they got a variety of activities with their kids, and I think it's been a lot of fun for him to get to interact with people other than us because we're boring. But it's kind of win-win because the kids get structured activities to do all day, and we get the chance to be, simple mindset and living without an 11-year-old begging to jump up and down and all around and swim, probably, since somebody hasn't touched the water yet.
I'm not a swimmer. You know that already. I'm not like a swim person. I'll go with me for in the water. That's it.
Okay,
I ain't going in there.
Did you hear that? She's going to wet her feet in the water today because she hasn't done that yet.
No, I'll go down the ocean.
Wow. Another thing we did is we
the pool water is not mine right now. The pool of itself, it has so much, whatever you call it in there, I don't know. And it burn.
You haven't even touched it.
I go in there before.
That pool?
No, the one that was in
that pool's different.
Ocean. It's the same thing. They clean that one in Ocean too, and then they open it at, they close it to clean at 6, and then, yes, so it's just the same routine. So it's like, it burns. Wow. Everybody's skin is different. I don't know.
Sonia is sensitive over here.
It's not sensitive. It's everybody's body is not the same.
Ain't that the truth?
Yes.
Speaking
you can't go in there and
bodies,
nothing down there. I can't go in there and all my skin strip up by the time I come.
Okay.
And I don't swim. So I'm going to stay one place. So it's going to burn.
So we also have ventured off to the gym, which we're going to get back to today since we didn't yesterday. Somebody was a little sore. And we had a fun time with the salespeople, yes. As a first timers, we got pitched a great opportunity of a lifetime to join the Iberostar Club, and after a great breakfast and some great conversations, we decided it was not for us. It's quite the long-term commitment and a little pricey to get discounted rates and future stays and all that stuff. But as a token of sitting through their presentation, Sonia had two options. She originally said that because we embraced their presentation, we would get a couple's spa package. And after further thought, Sonia decided she would go with the $100 Iberostar cash instead, that she can use at the gift shop. So for the record, it is now known that I have provided an opportunity for Sonia to have a spa. She's never had one. And she respectfully turned it down.
I opt out. I don't know.
It's okay,
I don't
dear.
feel comfortable people kneeling their elbow in my pot or
You've
whatever.
watched way too much TV.
Yeah, it doesn't. I know TV.
Boy.
I used to work at the Marriott, and that's what they
go
do.
in there, huh?
Yes,
They
or
get
they
'em.
have some black stone that they put on their shoulder back or whatever, lying them down. Yes.
So
I don't know.
okay.
I think it's nice, but for me, I'm just timid, scared, maybe
Wow.
old
And I
fashioned.
said, if
As
they-
those people would text and say she's old fashioned. Okay, I'm old fashioned. Okay, I got it. Huh? But
So
it's just
interesting.
my body. If I don't want to do it, I just don't want to
Amen,
do it.
sister.
Yeah, I just don't feel comfortable with
And
it.
if they touched my feet, they'd probably get kicked.
They ain't gonna touch your feet.
It's a reaction. But so we spent the cash at the gift shop, and Sonia got a lovely, overpriced but technically free-ish Jamaica bag, complete with. Oh! Look, she even let me get my bag. I had a bag exactly like this 15 years ago that got all sunburnt and destroyed, so we replaced it, and an item that was needed. We can now represent Jamaica coasters.
Yeah.
Hopefully not made
So
in
long the
China.
kids they don't. Let me see it.
Oh boy, I was joking, kind of. But so we're gonna bring you guys with for the ride today and see all of the amenities and things. So we're gonna start with.
This is bamboo. I don't know if this made in China though. I never said.
It's okay. We're just gonna
Jamaican
put it back in the
people
bag.
make them anyway.
Yes, we're gonna enjoy today's adventure for what it is. Head down to the breakfast buffet. And we might even get in some pickleball if we can figure out how to get it. Yeah?
What?
Pickleball?
What's that?
It's where you eat pickles and juggle a ball.
You eat pickle?
Yeah.
That's a lie. You're just trying. That's that face
figure
man
it
looks like something go like that. The way pickle and juggle. Y'all not gonna eat that pickle and juggle ball by itself.
Anyway, thanks for joining us, guys. Hope everyone's
I
doing
don't
well.
know.
We're gonna enjoy this last day here and then head back to Jamaica because we got gifts to get out. I'm excited to
Head back to Jamaica. We are in Jamaica, man.
No, this
We're
is
not
not
somewhere.
Jamaica.
This is
a
Jamaica.
fictionalized version of what Jamaica is
Oh, well,
supposed
this
to be.
is
No.
still Jamaica.
This is
not nowhere else. This is Jamaica. This
we're going back
is
to real Jamaica.
This is Rose Hall Beach Resort.
Yes.
The 5-star hotel. It's a nice property. If you want, you can check it out.
Wow.
It's
Are they
really
What
good.
are you, an infomercial now? Like, for 2 easy payments of. Serious?
What? We're in Farmer? No, I'm not in Farmer. I'm just telling them to check it out. It's very nice.
It is.
Yeah, it's very nice, very inviting, and welcoming. Yeah.
Okay. Well, can I
So you
welcome
can-
our departure to the breakfast area now?
Yeah. Bye, everyone. I wish you all a Merry Christmas when
Why are you
it
saying
comes.
goodbye? We got the rest of the day to film.
Oh, sorry, you can cut out that part then.
No, it's in. We're not cutting anything out, especially what you put on your plate for breakfast today. Check out today. Here we go. Okay. Okay, survived breakfast. You know it's bad when like your stomach is a little sore and you didn't work out. Oh, yeah. But food is pretty fantastic, I'm not gonna lie. It's a face of fantastic food right there.
Hi, the door.
The door.
Yes, where are you going?
Oh, we'll touch the room. What happened, man? I thought you were with us. You good? All right, we'll see you later. Oh man, kids. That's what happens when they run off on their own. Hey. I know. Or magically inspired. Oh boy. Time to get ready to go. Okay, we're ready. Kind of waiting for someone. Look, we're matching plaid today. That's our thing now. We're gonna bring Dave to Star Camp, and then we're off to the gym, right, dear?
Supposedly.
That's the face of positivity right there. Huh?
Really?
Dave's probably a little excited. He is enjoying Star Camp.
Alright, sir. Thanks for waiting. Come on, let's go.
Wow. There we go.
They're waiting.
Alright, off to Star Camp. Honey, you want to join Star Camp today?
I'm not going in Star Camp today.
No?
I'm not a kid. I'm a big people
You're
in
a
Star
big,
Camp.
you're a big woman.
Girls.
Yes, that's
they don't allow
it.
big girls in Star Camp.
That's true.
They allow troublemakers.
Troublemakers, Dave's. Okay, the suspense is killing us. Stay tuned to the end of the episode because if Dave gets a negative behavior report, Dave loses his Wi-Fi. Star Camp, here we go.
Dave, what the heck are you doing?
Honey, you're doing great.
No, this.
Yes. Yep. And he doesn't even say goodbye. There we go. Off to the gym. Are you ready? What do you want to do?
Sign him in.
Pickleball or gym first?
Maybe pickleball.
Okay. Oh, I forgot. Sonia's on guilt trip duty right now because the first day we were here, she was getting called to the beach by some of the salesmen, we'll call them, and I was ready to keep walking, but Sonia decided, no, we just go look. We could just go look, morning. And as a result, she acquired a necklace, but didn't have any money on her, and the guy was like, oh, just bring it back when you can. Came back the next day, the guy was not there to be found. Came back the next day,
he wasn't there.
He was already gone, and now that's the face of guilt right there.
Yeah, he come back there.
I lost my hat. It's a little breezy. So she's gonna go. Hold on! Sonia, wait for me! I'll be the one being dramatic here. Wait! We're blowing it! We're gonna find some pickleball. Maybe. If the breeze keeps up. We're gonna explain to Sonia what pickleball actually is.
I don't know what pickleball is. I only know about table
Anyway,
tennis and the
let's
other
go
one.
find your salesperson.
I don't know where the heck he is, but
Right? See that right there? That's Sonia trying to find the guy to give him the money for the necklace. That's not the guy. It's beautiful, dear. We're calling this breezy walk our warm-up for today before we get to the gym. Oh, I don't know. There she goes. Stay tuned. Just like that, she's back. How did it go?
Good. I give him sister the money.
His sister?
He's not there. She know Donovan.
Oh, we know his name now.
Yeah, so. He have his name pinned on t-shirt, but I never really look.
Wow.
But honestly, I mean, you remember.
And now Sonia has peace of mind.
Yes. So I give her my local number, so if anything she can give me, so you can call me.
Oh wow, dishing out her number, just like, you know how hard it was for me to get your number?
No, I just want to make sure and get this money, man.
Gosh,
you know he will get it in a bud. I'm just saying that.
He's gonna get it and then you're gonna get it.
No. No, to just appreciate that, you know, because she say a lot of people just take them things and just go away and come back and pay them. Yeah, so she respect me to do that.
Yes.
Come back and, you know, looking for him and thing.
Now we're going to the gym.
Yeah. You say you're going to play what?
Pickleball.
Pickleball or whatever you call it.
Close enough. All right, here we go. All right, false start. We apparently have to go buy the courts to get the pickleball stuff, which makes a lot of sense when you think about it. Right, dear? All right, to the tennis courts, which are straight ahead. You can do it. Yep. Watch your step, dear, because there's steps there. See what I did there? Okay. Any questions?
No. I will try to do my best and make a fool of
That's
myself.
all we can do.
Like whatever you do is just you're busy. Everything go well.
That's right. Oh, no, try not to get hit on the way. We're playing pickleball today. Oh snap! There's the net, dear. You just gotta hit it over the net.
Huh?
You just gotta hit it the net. That's all you gotta do. Pretty much. Here we go. Okay, here we go. A first official pickleball point. Sonia, you ready? You ready? Okay. It's supposed to bounce once, I think. All right, it's got to bounce once, or it doesn't have to bounce at all, but you can't let it bounce more than once. So you got to get ready. Get on your feet. Let's see your ready stance. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, we're getting good. Oh, that's right. First point goes to Tyler. Better cue the time lapse. after some intense, grueling action, we're gonna get some slow-mo to make it look cool and then see what happens. Hold on. Alright, nothing like a little pickleball to really put your out of shapeness in perspective, but it was fun. Sonia just saw a mongoose running down the steps, so she chased after it. Honey, how'd it go? I'm gone now. Whee! I'm gone. It's okay here. Alright, I'd say we earned ourselves a beverage. What do you think? This is what I get when I try to talk to my wife. You see that back of her head? Isn't it amazing? Man, honey, how was pickleball? How was pickleball?
It was great.
I can tell. She's not distracted at all. Look at that quality content that she's giving. Son.
Oh, the puppy are pretty.
Oh boy.
Man, I want a puppy there. Look.
Oh boy. Yes, True Juice's puppy.
Yeah, look how this puppy pretty.
With the black bottom.
Man, she's pretty.
Oh boy. Don't. Okay. We definitely need a drink now.
You want a puppy?
I don't know. Do you want a puppy? Why, don't put me in this spot right now. Let's get a beverage first and then talk about it. Shh. Here we go. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Wait, what happened to the gym? Well,
Gymmed out.
somebody got a little gymmed out. Pickleball was a very humbling experience in how out of shape we've gotten. I said we, but we're gonna hydrate and go find some cornhole game since Sonia may have beaten me last night.
You say we're good at cornhole game.
Anyway, cheers. Happy last day of vacation. Okay. Okay, let's play some ring toss. You ready?
I don't know if I can go.
Boy, let's see what Sonia's got. She's going first. All right, Son.
What you do?
Yes, you got this. Oh boy, you got this. Put it on the bottle. Okay.
You see that? That's an extra point.
Oh.
20 point, my
Come on, dear.
Banger!
Oh.
Did I tried?
The camera's on.
It's on?
Yes, it's on.
You
Hold
ready?
on, hold on.
You ready? Bro, listen, I believe in you. I got $5. I'm betting it on you, alright?
Yeah, but
Yeah, no.
is this on you?
Man, if you lose that $5, man, you in bankruptcy, man. You gotta pay us back.
Uh-oh.
Come on,
Try
20
to go
point.
over it.
Banger!
Oh, where's my money, man? Where's my money, man? I'm kidding. I'm messing with
Second round. Oh, come in.
Oh.
You're not get to it. Come here,
We
girl.
tried.
She's sitting here waiting for you.
Oh, well. Okay, after some R&R, you know what that stands for?
No, I don't know what R&R stands for.
I don't know. I thought it was reading and resuscitation, but I could be wrong. Someone's off to the buffet.
No, you're off to the buffet. I don't know what they're doing. Not this way.
I'm gonna get a coffee from the coffee machine and a dessert. They got cheesecake here with mango. Oh my goodness. What are you going for?
Go look what they have in that buffet.
You're gonna just go look. Wow, it's just like shopping. She's just gonna go look. Uh-oh. Here we go. Hey, I was way off, Swan. You know what R&R stands for? Swan? Rest and recuperation. Now you know. Okay, I'm going for coffee and a dessert, and that's it. Right, Swan? What are you going for?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna go look. Yeah, we know what happens when you do that. Alright, here we go. Record, I've been decent today. I got ranch dressing though. That looks good too. It's shredded chicken. Let's eat, dear. And there goes Dave, behaving himself, I hope. Are we behaving ourselves, sir?
Make it quick.
We're done. That was fine.
I'll do it.
All right, so on. Quick, don't leave a mark. Goodbye. All right. And he's gone. Nice. That's the extent of how much we get to see Dave in the day. I'm not sure if that's good or bad as yet, but I like that he has a structured activity to get to do, and he seems pretty stoked about it. And behavior so far is doing good today. Back to the food.
Is it cheesecake?
Oreo cheesecake, yes. Alright, this is not my fault, alright? Grape nut ice cream and Oreo cheesecake. I'm talking to them, dear. Hold on. She looks like she's complaining. Why? You don't like Oreo cheesecake? Wow, honey. Look at that.
I'm just gonna eat it because
She's gonna suffer through.
yes, please, thank you.
She can do it. Okay, well, after 6 games of losing, Sonia's definitely taken the cornhole by storm. Look at that proud warrior moment pose. Right, Son? Let me get a... She's like a statue goddess just staring at all the activities going on out there that I'd be happy to go join you with, dear. No? You good?
Yes.
This is your victory stairs? Oh, get him, Rocky. Okay, careful. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Okay, this is probably my new favorite. This is espresso martini. It's got espresso and it's got martini.
It's your favorite, right?
Oh, and my new friend here. Yeah, what's his name, Swan? What's his name?
Tyler.
Yeah. We'll call him Tyler Jr. That's original. Boy, alright, gonna go get cleaned up and maybe head to the casino, huh, dear? We'll see.
Before a beach out close.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, now she's ready. Away we go. Before the beach hut closes, because we have to return a towel. Yes. Don't worry, dear. I got the door. And the towel. And the camera. And the card. No, I don't have the card. That would have been bad. Take 2. Note to self. Always remember you have a hotel card before you leave the room. All right, to the beach. Alright, we have not been to a casino in years. Is it the most responsible thing to do? Probably not, but at least we'll get it out of our system. When I say we, I mean the gambleaholic over here.
No, I'm not a gambleaholic. She heard it gambling aholic.
Something like that, yeah. So wish us luck. We'll see what happens and we'll keep you guys informed. But, honey, when we walk away, we walk away. You hear?
When you're done, you're walking away, right?
Well, I don't have any more money after that. We only took out a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah.
So when you're done,
When
you
it's
say,
gone, it's
I'm
gone.
leaving you
And
one
then
for dinner.
she gets the buffet. One last dinner. That's the face of buffet right there.
That's crazy buffet.
I can't see, it's dark. Okay, honey. Let's go. We got this. Okay, take 2. Go again. Okay. Hold on, hold on. You won something. Okay. You gotta say, oh, it's still going. $4. $5. $6. Watch out. It's still going. 8. It's up here counting. It's still going. 12. 13. 14. I don't know why it's still going. That's the face of excitement right there.
I'm done.
20. 21. 23. Oh, so you got $30.
I got 30 with my 20.
Well, yeah, it's at 30 right now.
With my 20?
Right. Yeah, your $20 is now 30.
Oh, should I spend
It's up to you. Try.
Why you giving me? Why you don't try it?
Because you beat me at.
No, I never did.
All right, so we're gonna do the 5 and the 2 again. That's our strategy. 5 and 2.
Okay.
This is the one. The myth of gold. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why you don't gamble. You see? I'm glad we could provide that experience for you. Time for the buffet. Let's go. Okay, she ran away. She wouldn't let me catch any footage of it, but she's got a grape nut ice cream, and so do I. Really, someone? Yes, grape nut. Now we gotta go find Dave and eat the ice cream before we pick him up because he's gonna want one too. Here we go. Found him. Survived the last evening. Oh, there's a show tonight, by the way, at 9:30. A Jamaican heritage show or history show.
Yeah, cool.
You're gonna go? Of course. So, how was your day?
Yeah. I'm going to
2 times.
Sonia, so I'm gonna have a bicycle.
And you fell on your face.
No,
Oh.
right from the back.
Oh, even where'd the ball end up? In- Where'd you guys play? Up at the courts?
No, run back. Like a ball going on.
Like with grass and everything?
Like them fake graphic. Yeah?
Oh,
It's not fake.
No, but them are big. Some fake.
okay. Good. Did you eat enough?
Yeah.
Okay. What? Any favorite foods for today?
No.
Okay.
And if they are Japanese to Chinese.
Oh man, dude, we
Like
just had
sushi.
sushi, crab legs, oxtail, shrimps.
We're doing good.
Oh my
I
goodness.
suppose you said
There's
food
so
and
much.
cook over that, you know.
I don't know. Well, we just did it. We survived our last night. Dave's grabbing a shower real quick, and then we are off to a Jamaican heritage theater performance of sorts, supposedly. Gonna be a late one though. It starts at 9:30 and goes till 10:30. I know. We'll see if we make it. But gonna wrap up the video here. Sonia, any last words?
I don't need to go see what this heritage is all about.
Amen. So thanks guys for enjoying our episode. Look forward to get back to St. Mary tomorrow and get back into regular, real living. This extravaganza, this event, this facade of reality has been fun and I would say also educational as well. And I think Dave had a great time. I'm happy that he got to come and experience this. But we got to get back. We got things to do. We got presents to wrap and we're going to be opening gifts next video. So hope everyone's doing well. Hope you enjoyed the fantasy world we've created for today that we've gotten to enjoy. And we'll see you back in the real world next episode. See ya.